Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and study properly at your home. In my previous class, I discussed with you about various size, shapes of cell and also discussed about the types of cells, right? So today I will discuss with you about the cell structures and functions from the chapter that is cell structure and functions. Clear? Dear students, in a unicellular organisms, a single cell performs all the basic functions of life. Clear? But in multicellular organisms, there are divisions. Okay. First is cells. Okay. What is it? It is a basic structural unit of an organisms. Okay, and it forms tissues. Clear? Next have tissues. And what is it? Tissues made up of a specialized cell with similar functions. Okay, and it forms organ. Clear? Now organs. Okay, so all living organisms are the combination of different parts. Okay, which is called organ. Clear? And it perform a particular functions such as respiration, digestions, etc. Now I am going to discuss with you about the various parts of cell or basic component of cells. Students, the basic component of cells are cell membrane. Okay, and another one is cytoplasm and nucleus. Clear? Now what is the function of cell membrane? It helps to separate cells from one another. Clear? And it also protects the cells from the surrounding mediums. Clear? And it is porous and allows substance to move in and out of the cells. Clear? And another name of cell membrane is plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane. Clear? Now cytoplasm. What is it? Actually a jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membranes. Okay, these are the nothing, it's a cytoplasm. Okay, it contains organelles of cells, okay, such as mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosome, etc. Next we have nucleus. Now what is it? It is a usually spherical situated in the center of the cells and is a vital part of living cells. Clear? What is the functions of nucleus? Okay, it's act as control center of all the cell activities. Clear? And it also plays an important role in inheritance. Okay, in nucleus there are presence of nuclear membrane. So what is nuclear membrane? It is the covering of nucleus which separate the nucleus from the cytoplasms, and it is porous and allows the cytoplasms and nucleus to exchange material. Another term which is related with nucleus, that is nucleolus. Okay, nucleolus. Okay, what is it? Actually, using the microscope of higher magnifications, we see a smaller spherical body inside the nucleus, which is called the nucleolus. Okay, and nucleolus plays a vital role in making protein in the cell. Clear? Now, what is chromosomes? Okay, have you any idea about chromosomes? Actually, some thread-like structures in the nucleus are present, which is also carry genes. Now, what is genes? It is a unit of inheritance in living organisms which transfer hereditary characteristics from parent to offspring. Genes of parents combine in different ways to produce different characteristics in their offspring. Dear students, what is prokaryote and what is eukaryote? Okay, actually, in case of prokaryote, bacterial cells and cells of blue-green algae do not have well defined nuclei. Okay, like those of multicellular organisms, the cells of such organisms have nuclear materials. Okay, without the nuclear membrane. Such cells are called prokaryotes cells. Okay, where pro stands for primitive and the karyon stands for nucleus. Okay, so organisms with prokaryote cells are known as prokaryotes. Clear? Now if I discuss with you about what is eukaryotes. Plants and animals cell with well organized nucleus with nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cells. So U stands for true, while karyon stands for nucleus. Clear? So organisms with eukaryotic cells are known as eukaryotes. Now vacuoles. Okay, vacuoles are organelles enclosed by a membrane and filled with fluid. Clear? Plant cells usually have a large vacuole which is filled with a liquid which is called cell sap, and cell sap contains dissolved sugar and salts. Clear? And animal cells may or may not have vacuoles. If they have vacuoles, they are much smaller than the plant vacuoles. Now, what is the function of vacuoles? Functions of vacuoles in plant cells. Okay, vacuoles in plant cells keep the cell firm or rigid. Clear? They store various substances including waste product of the cells. Vacuole in animal cells store food, water, sugar, minerals and waste product of the cells. Amoeba, vacuoles that contain food particles, also referred to as food vacuole. Now I am going to discuss with you about the plastid. What is plastid? Plastid are also a type of organelles that are found only in plant cells. They are of different colors. Some of them contains green color which is called chlorophyll. Green color plastid are called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts. Now what is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplasts are the sites where photosynthesis takes place. Okay, here carbon dioxide and water combine in the presence of energy which is comes from sunlight and produce food. Clear? And chloroplasts help in synthesis of food by green plants. Now, comparison of plant cell and animal cells. We know that both plant and animal cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and nuclear membrane. Clear? So this is the comparison of plant cell and animal cells. Now what is the difference between plant cell and animal cells? Plants have large vacuole. Okay, while animal cell have smaller vacuoles. Clear? So what is the function of this vacuole? I already discussed. Okay, so vacuole store water or food for plant and even store waste products until they can be discarded, right? And plants need bigger vacuoles as they cannot move to satisfy their hunger or thirst. Okay, only plant cells have plastid, right? And in case of animal cells, plastid are absent. Clear? So what is the function of plastid? They help in manufacturing or storing food. Clear? Next have centriole absent in case of plant cell. Okay, and in case of animal cells, centrioles are present. So what is the function of it? Centrioles help in the division of cells. Okay students, till that if you have any queries or questions you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.